I'm
Mm-hmm.
also gaining some from you.
What you gain? Tell.
Mhm.
What you got?
Like here, like I'm gaining from you some knowledge, like from you, like how to passion and what is. I mean, sir, you have a determinations to. And usually,
Yes.
yes, ma'am, I were watching your videos, lot of videos, and that's why I like I'm like I want to improve my English as well as, and that's why I started my journey. Okay, I also I should do this to improve my communication and in order to improve my skills. And this is
Mhm.
a platform where we connect and where we can enhance our communication skills or anything.
Right. Right. So, when did you started your English learning journey?
Actually, I had started before 2 years ago, before 2 years, but the time I didn't consistency and I didn't have any determinations to learn this language. But after I means now I am realizing it's a means there are so many people they are connecting and they are improving their languages, means they are improving their communications language, they are speaking very well. And because I were wasting a lot of times in I'm scrolling on mobile, and I'm doing a lot I'm watching videos, um, videos, and I'm scrolling lot of times, and I didn't realize, okay, I want to learn, like I should learn this language, because nowadays it's very essential and it is very crucial role in this era. And that's why, because if mm, I will I will face the interview. Then it may be I'm facing a lot of problems when I interacting the interviews, because I am a student. If now I am not practicing, then how I crack interview? Then it is also
Right.
it's a like
Yes.
a
So, what is your goal? What is your goal? What you
like
want to become?
huh. Yes, after now I am pursuing my graduation. And after completing my graduation, I have to do like a it's a government or private sector. I don't know what happened. God knows. But yes, definitely I would like to go in that field.
Like you told me, you are doing engineering. So, which year are running? I think it's a
It,
4 year. It's need 4 year.
yes, yes, yes.
Mm-hmm. So, which year you're running? Second, first,
Fourth,
third.
in a seventh semester. Now I have completed my sixth semester, and then I
Mhm.
move to like I will go to a seventh semester.
Okay. So, in your college, do you speak English with your friends?
Yes, I actually in my college I have environment. I can talk so many friends, but sometimes they like in I actually now I'm pursuing in Odisha, and that's why they are using their like a basic their mother tongue like Odisha. It's English also, but yes, sometimes they are communicating in
Using.
Odia language, and yes, English also they are speaking. And
Mm-hmm.
there I sometimes I'm also speaking, and I'm also trying to speak
Okay.
with my
Wow.
friends.
Mm-hmm. So, how much time, you stay there in your college? How much? How
uh,
much does it like hours?
Hours, it's like 7:30 to 1:30, like it's nearly 6 hour, six um, nearly 6 hour, ma'am. I'm spending
So today you didn't. Today you didn't go. Hello.
today.
Today you did.
Yes, yes, I didn't
Talking
go.
with me.
Yes, yes. No, no. Actually,
Mhm.
my mother health is not good. That's why I'm not. Nowadays, I'm not going. Like, I'm preparing on myself, and whatever they are, like my mentors they are sending assignments or PDFs that I am following.
Okay. Wow. So, what do you think about, like, if anyone want learn this language, so what should they do?
Okay. Um, they it's I in my opinion, English is a language, and it is a limitless age. Can say anyone can learn this language, and anyone can achieve the anyone want to achieve their dreams or their in their goals, because English is a English is a language when we can express our thoughts, when we can communicating to reach a new a new state peoples, or we can connect we can getting from their getting from others a new knowledge.
Right.
Yes,
Right.
and definitely all are doing is very well. And yes,
Mhm.
English, it's a English is a journey, and we before we used to think English is a very difficult. We were not able to speak, but nowadays everyone is trying very well, and they are performing very well, and that's why I
Right.
appreciate to everyone. It's a fabulous, it's a splendid.
Lots of people these days, also lots of people facing issue, like on my YouTube channel, and maybe your YouTube channel, they comment there, ma'am, I want to improve my English and I want learn English. So how they practice easy way to how they learn, if they haven't any a partner, if they not get any partner, so how they do practice? Can you give some idea for them?
It's a my in my opinion, it's a not it is a not easy part to learn one day in English. Any language we cannot learn a single day. Okay, you're giving to me learn this language. It's very easy. You can learn on a single day. It is not possible if you are not
Yeah,
giving a consistency. If you're not
right.
if you don't have a desire, if you don't have a determination to learn this language, then you cannot do. Okay, if you have passion for learn this language, then you have to give a consistent
Right.
on this english english part. And I can see if you don't have an environment, then in a mobile, of course everyone using the mobile, and you can reach out the people, and there are so many apps, free apps, they are launch of free apps. You can go through, you can learn, and you can reach through the free apps. There there you can get a the
Right.
easier easier go through the apps, and you can learn. And first it's a starting, you have a facing problem, you have a get a hesitate some we are also getting a some hesitate, we when we are not interacting face to face. That time we have okay, I am a confident, I can speak. But when it comes to a face to face interacting, then we not able to speak very well. If we are giving to consistent, if you are is communicating to continuously, then it's come automatically, and it improves your vocabulary, it comes to your fluency level, it comes to improve your listening stage.
Right.
And that's why I am telling,
Yeah.
it is a beginner. First you take a one step, then then take it comes it may becomes a problem, difficulties and challenges, but you don't give up the challenges.
Yes, like first is listening. First they do listening practice, and then they take one step for speaking. They search a speaking partner, and I want to say them, if they not get partner in earlier, earlier we face problem. So they just do, they have camera and phone, so just make their own video like a question answer related. In beginning, initially I did. That's why I'm sharing this thought. Because I didn't get any partner at that time, so I just used to I what do used to do I just made my video, like first I ask a question about myself, like what time do you get up? what time do you get up? So I said ki I get up in the morning. So in the morning, at what time you get up? So I say get up around 4 o'clock. So why you get up 4 o'clock? Why you get up? What reason? So like I like to get up early in the morning, and in morning environment each and everything very good, and I like to do study in the morning. So this type of conversation, if anyone have not partner and they want to improve, they can do, they can do. And
Yes.
then they take one step, like send email to anyone, and just connect any youtuber. And like you told, there are lots of app, like hybro app, cv app, josh talk app, lots of app. And they get we get there lots of free minutes, if we not paid money. So just free minute, 25, 30 minute in each and every um, app. So they can use, and they can learn, don't make like excuses, no I have not anyone, so how can I learn, you know
Yes.
no one can help. Only we can do, we can give like a little example, we can give a suggestion to anyone. And they have like a, if I want to do anything, so I have to do that work, I have to work on that things, and I have to like do and whatever I want. No one can come here and do each and everything for me,
Yes.
if I
Yes.
want to learn this language, so I have to learn each and everything, and I have to speak. So listening and speaking practice, it's a very important in my opinion. And if they are able to read, and they have lots of time reading, writing, so they can do like four things everyone told, like reading, writing, listening, speaking. So I think most important two things, listening and speaking, because when we were kids, so we only did two things, listening and speaking,
Speaking.
for
Yes. Yes.
learn our mother tongue. So
Yes.
if they want, really they want to learn language, english language, so they can do
I am also gaining some from you.
what you can tell.
Mhm.
What you got.
Like here, like I am gaining from you some knowledge, like from you, like how to passion and what is. I mean, sir, you have a determinations to, and you are giving a consistency on your work, and
Mhm.
you're like a yes, and that's I learn, and
Yeah,
I am
without
very enjoying
it's quite difficult, because english is not our mother tongue, it's not our environment.
environment.
So we
Yes.
have to consistence. If we want to learn this language, so we have to consistence, every day
Yes.
listening, every day speaking. And if anyone fond of to reading, writing, so yeah, because reading is very important these days. I felt, I started reading, so yeah, it's useful for us, lots of useful for us, reading.
Yes. Definitely. Right.
Okay dear.
Okay.